Okay, now we have to find the matrix X such that 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. So now what I'm going to do is add minus 2a to the both sides. So you get 2a plus 3x minus 2a is equal to 5b minus 2a. Rearranging 2a minus 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b minus 2a. 2a and 2a get cancelled. We get 3x is equal to 5b minus 2a, which means x is equal to 1/3 of 5b minus 2a. So we have to find x. The expression 5b minus 2a is 5b minus 2a is equal to 5 into the B matrix, which is 2 minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5, 1, minus 2 times of 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6. This will be multiplying 5 with each element inside, you get 5 into 2, 5 into minus 2, 4, 5 into 4, 5 into 2, 5 into minus 5, and 5 into 1. From this matrix we need to subtract 2 into 8, 2 into 0, 2 into 4, 2 into minus 2, 2 into 3, and 2 into 6. This will be 10, minus 10, 20, 10, minus 25, and 5, minus 16, 0, 8, minus 4, 6, and 12. Subtracting two matrices is same as subtracting each element by element. We get it 10 minus 16, minus 10 minus 0, 20 minus 8, 10 minus 4, minus 25 minus 6, and 5 minus 12. This will be minus 6, minus 10, 12, 14, minus 31, minus 7. We got the matrix 5b minus 2a. So we have to find x. X, which is equal to 1/3 of 5b minus 2a. This will be 1/3 of this matrix, which is minus 6, minus 10, 12, 14, minus 31, minus 7. This is like scalar multiplication of the number 1 by 3 with each and every element of the matrix, which will be minus 6 by 3, minus 10 by 3, 12 by 3, 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3, minus 7 by 3, which is equal to minus 2, minus 10 by 3, 4, 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3, and minus 7 by 3, which is a 3 cross 2 matrix. Remember that X should be of the same order as 5b and 2a.